Hi, today you're for the Samsung Galaxy A20s and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So to do that, we should hold the application and drag this app to another one, and now we just successfully created a new home screen folder. Just by the same way, we can add here more applications, or just if you wanna add a couple of apps in one click, open the folder, tap to this plus and select, for example, applications which you want to add to your folder, then click to done, and that's it. Now we'll just successfully add our the applications to the home screen folder. If you want to change the background of this folder, click here and select one from these available ones, then click to done, and now we can see that we'll just successfully change it to give a name or renamed it. Just tap once here on the name and enter the apps, tap to done, and that's it. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, or to create the new screens with the folders, we should just hold it and drag it. Just if you wanna remove a couple of apps or just one, let's imagine that we want to remove only the calendar applications from here, but only from the folder to our home screen, we should just hold it and drag it to the home screen. But if you want to remove the application from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove. Also, we can select a couple of applications and remove them, uninstall, or to create a new folder by this way. So and also if you want to remove all of the applications with the folder, you can just hold it and tap to remove icon, or also you can select and remove, for example, all of these apps or folders on your home screen and tap to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.